Okay, good morning students, second day students. Today we will continue the last class. Today very important 4 marks questions, 4 marks problems. Okay, up to in textbook 26, 27, 28, up to in textbook continuity. First of all, continuity. 4 marks compulsory question, 4 marks question. Okay. The exercise 5.1, 26 to 30. 26 to 30. Maximum very important. Compulsory problem. Very important problems. First of all, find the value of k, 26. Find the value of k so that the function is continuous. At the indicated point. Indicated point. Okay, following the functions, find the value of k so that the function is continuous. Which functions are given? Continuous functions are given. Continuous functions are given. That a given function is continuous, then find the value of k. Continuous means what? LHL is equal to RHL is equal to F of A. The three conditions are equal. The given function is continuous function, otherwise discontinuous function. Okay, already the given functions are continuous functions means LHL is equal to RHL. Okay, LHL is equal to RHL. So 26th problem, very important problem. F of x is equal to k cos x by pi minus 2x if x not equal to pi by 2. 3x is equal to pi by 2. At x is equal to point with that. The point is given. X tends to x, point is given. And condition is given, function is given. So, first of all, x not equal to means x not equal to pi by 2 means only x not equal to pi by 2. X is not pi by 2. Remaining below pi by 2, above pi by 2, all values remain excluding only pi by 2. Remaining all values are in x. So, LHL or RHL means decide the function. The given two or more functions, which function is taken. That is the meaning of LHL and RHL. This function is same means value also same. So x not equal to pi by this type of problems, x not equal to maximum 90%, x not equal to pi by 2, x not equal to 1, x not equal to 0, this type of problems, don't do LHL RHL. Direct function. Limit x tends to pi by 2. K cos x by pi minus 2x. So, find out. We have to find out. Cos x limit x tends to pi by 2, x tends to pi by 2, k into cos x. Cos x is converted into pi by 2 minus x. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. So listen. Okay, listen carefully. Very very important problems. Cos x is converted into sin 90 minus theta. Next, in pi, common 2. Pi by 2 minus x. You know, in the denominator, common with 2. 2 into pi by 2 pi minus 2x. So, the next one is limit x tends to pi by 2 ek to constant to separate. You have to separate the constant because limit of constant is equal to constants. That's why separate the constant. So sin pi by 2 minus x by pi by 2 minus x. This is the limit fundamental formula. Which formula? Limit x tends to 0 sin x by x is equal to 1. So k by 2 into 1. K by 2 into 1 is equal to k by 2. This is the value of limit x tends to pi by 2 k cos x by pi minus 2x. K value. Next, LHL RHL both are same value k. Next, f of a. Okay. Next, f of pi by 2, exactly pi by 2. F of pi by 2 is equal to what? 3. F of pi by 2 is equal to 3. So, the given function is continuous function or not? The given function is continuous function. Since f is continuous, at x is equal to pi by 2. So, limit x tends to pi by 2, f of x is equal to f of pi by 2. Okay. Limit x tends to pi by 2, f of x value k by 2. K by 2 is equal to f of pi by 2 value 3. K is equal to what? 6. This is the very important problem. Very important problem. See that. Next question. 27. F of x is equal to kx square 3 if x less than or equal to 2, x greater than 2, at x is equal to 2. At x is equal to 2. Here, look at this. The previous problem, 26 problem here, x not equal to pi by. X not equal to pi by means more directly calculate limit x tends to f of x directly, because not equal to means less than, greater than. Less than means LHL, greater than means RHL. Greater than, less than, same function means in LHL or RHL, the function is same means the result also same. So don't calculate LHL and RHL. Calculate. Okay. Next here, x less than or equal to x greater than, not equal to, not given. So compulsory using LHL. Limit x tends to 2 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 2. If x tends to 2, less than 2 minus means less than 2. Here less than 2. Which function is less than 2 function? Kx square. Kx square. X means what? 2. So k into 2 square, that is equal to 4k. Next RHL. RHL is equal to limit x tends to 2 plus. 2 plus means greater than 2. Greater than 2 f of x. Greater than 2 which function? 3 directly. Limit x tends to 2, 3 means 3. Since what are given in the problem? Since f is continuous. Since f is continuous at x is equal to 2. Continuous means what? LHL is equal to RHL. LHL is equal to LHL value? LHL value 4k. 4k is equal to 4k is equal to 3. K is equal to 3 by 4. K is equal to 3 by 4. Enough. Next 28, f of x is equal to kx plus 1. 28, f of x is equal to kx plus 1 if cos x, if x greater than or equal to pi, x less than or equal to pi, x equal to pi at x is equal to pi. This is the problem. All are continuous functions already given. Okay. So LHL. First of all, LHL. LHL is equal to limit x tends to pi minus. Pi minus means x less than pi. X less than pi which function? Kx plus 1 no. So limit x tends to pi. X less than pi, kx plus 1 no. So k into pi plus 1 no. that is equal to pi k plus 1 no. RHL limit x tends to pi plus means greater than pi. Limit x tends to pi. Here look at this. In x tends to pi minus, in x tends to pi, the total finally the x value is pi. For example, x greater than pi, cos x, so cos pi is equal to minus 1 no. In x tends to pi minus, x tends to pi plus. Finally, x value pi, here also x value pi. There is no difference. X value is no difference. But which one is different? Function is different. In LHL and RHL, functions are different, but x value is not different. This is the important point. Okay. Since f of x is continuous at x is equal to pi, that implies LHL is equal to RHL. LHL value pi k plus 1 is equal to minus 1. Pi k is equal to minus 2. K is equal to minus 2 by pi. K is equal to minus 2 by pi. This one. Next one. Next, 29 homework, 31, 30 is find the values of A and B. Find the values of small a and b such that function is defined by function is defined by f of x is equal to 5ax plus b 21 x less than or equal to 2 less than x less than 10 x greater than or equal to 10. In the given problem, look at this. In the given problem, two values are there, 2 points are there, 2 points. In 2 points, we have to check compulsory because find out A and B values. Okay. First case 1. Case 1 at x is equal to 2. LHL limit x tends to 2 minus. 2 minus means less than 2. F of x limit x tends to 2. 2 minus less than 2 is just which function? 5. Limit of y is equal to 5. So RHL is equal to limit x tends to 2 plus. 2 plus means x greater than 2. X greater than 2, which function? 2 less than x means what? X greater than 2. X greater than 2, ax plus b. So 2a plus b. X means what? 2. 2a plus b. Next, f of 2. F of 2 also 5. F of 2 is equal to exactly 2. F of 2 is equal to 5. So, f is continuous function. Since f is continuous function at x is equal to 2, already learned. So LHL is equal to RHL. LHL value 5. 5 is equal to 2a plus b. 5 is equal to 2a plus b. A, B values are not because there are two variables. Two variables means you have to require two equations. Two equations are required because the two values, you want two values. We want two values, two equations. Two equations, so we have to solve after find out A, B values. So this is the first one. This is case 1. Next, case 2. Case 2. Case 2 means what here? Which point? 10. LHL. LHL is equal to limit x tends to 10 minus. 10 minus means x less than 10. X less than 10 which function? X less than 10. Ax plus b. Limit x tends to 10. Ax plus b. That is equal to 10a plus b. Next to RHL. RHL is equal to limit x tends to 10 plus. 10 plus means greater than 10. Greater than 10. Limit x tends to 10. Greater than 10 which function? 21. Limit of 21 is equal to 21. Since f is continuous, x at x is equal to 10. So LHL is equal to RHL. LHL 10a plus b is equal to 21. Equation number 2. Equation number 1 mean 2a plus b is equal to 5. Solve 1 and 2. 1 and 2 solve. The second equation, what is the first equation? First equation 2a plus b is equal to 5. 2a plus b is equal to 5. Minus, subtracting. Minus b cancel. Minus, minus, minus. 10a minus 2a, 8a. 8a is equal to 21 minus 5, 16. A is equal to 2. A is equal to 2. Substitute A is equal to 2 in equation number 1. In equation number 1. 2a plus b is equal to 5. B is equal to 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. B is equal to 1 and A is equal to 2. This is the final answer. Once again I will explain subtraction of two equations. The second equation is the complete problem. Once again, solve the 1 and 2. How to solve 1 and 2 equations? 10a plus b is equal to 21. 2a plus b is equal to 5. Subtract 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2. So 10 minus 2 is equal to 8a. E minus minus cancel is equal to 21 minus 5 is equal to 16. That is equal to A is equal to 2. In A is equal to value substitute in equation number 1 or equation number 2 any. Okay. We get B value. A and B value. Okay. Next, last problem. The last problem under today, differentiation totally is depending on formulas. Already first year limits and derivatives. Derivative formulas are there. We have to perfect. Okay. And once again, I will send the formulas in our WhatsApp group. Okay. Today onwards, all have to perfect. Must be perfect. Okay. There is no formula means no problem. Okay. Next last problem, the T4 problem. Find all points of discontinuity. Find all points of discontinuity of defined by f of x is equal to mod x minus mod of x plus 1. Mod x minus mod of x plus 1. Here we know that all modulus functions are continuous on R in the real number. So therefore f of x is equal to mod x is continuous on R. Next, g of x is equal to mod of x plus 1 is continuous on R by the algebraic functions f of x minus g of x. H of x is equal to f of x minus g of x mod of x minus mod of x plus 1 is also continuous on R. Finally, what we have to find? All points of discontinuity. The given function is continuous on R, every point, but discontinuous points, hence no discontinuity points. Okay, thank you. Tomorrow derivatives. Okay, 32.